We start with the political story as the Kiambaa by-election gets closer. Jubilee Party now says that a win for its candidate Kariri Njama in Kiambaa by-election is a win for President Uhuru Kenyatta in his position as the Mount Kenya's undisputed leader. Bushebi Jr. compiled a full report on this.
William Ruto's United Democratic Alliance UDA party and Uhuru Kenyatta's Jubilee Party are in a tough fight to win Kiambaa constituency by-election.
And after Juja, we sat down, especially a team of close to 25 members of us, 25 members of parliament, the ones who are now left officially in the Jubilee Party, especially from Mount Kenya, because our colleagues have officially decamped in everything except by officially and gone to either UDA or PEC. And we said we are going to go back to Mashinani and speak to the hearts and minds of Kenyans from our part of the country. And we're also reaching out. We have a network that has members of parliament from Northeastern, that has members of parliament from other parts of the country, including Nairobi. And we are going to do a reloading of our party as we move into next week. And one of the places we'll be doing that a lot of is during the Kiambaa by-elections.
Few weeks ago, in a notice issued by UDA's Secretary General Veronica Maina, aspirants submitted their applications online and to the party's headquarters in Nairobi, leading to UDA's John Wanjiku winning the nomination. This set a frontline face-off with Jubilee's Kariri Njama. With Jubilee now facing the stiff competition from UDA, the ruling party is using all means to ensure that it maintains the seat. The Jubilee's tactics played out today when the members of the party say that a win for Kariri Njama is a win for President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Tumewasikia wakisema itazikwa wapi? Atimazishi ya Jubilee itakuwa Kiambaa. Kama Jubilee ina shida itafufuka hapa Kiambaa. Because Jubilee is there to stay. Jubilee tunajua kiongozi wake ni His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta. Jubilee ndio ilileta uunganisha watu wa Central na Rift Valley kutoa taabu iliyoko huko.
Itakapofika wakati ya Uhuru kujitoa na kupimana nguvu na wanaume, wengi watajua kwa nini punda ajemea pembe.
Sisi kama watu ya Kiambu tumekubaliana kuwa tutakuwa na Kariri Njama kwa sababu yeye ni mtu ya Jubilee na yeye ndio anashikanisha sisi na rais wetu.
Deputy President Ruto's newly formed UDA party has become a threat to many political parties in the country, spreading its tentacles and influence so fast. In addition, the race to win Kiambaa by-election by UDA is not seen as a common win, but its power to stamp authority and influence in Mount Kenya.
Wakajaribu Gaturi Ward wakaanguka, wakajaribu Msabweni wakaanguka, wakajaribu Juja wakaanguka.
The contest comes at the time when the ruling Jubilee is seeking a divorce from UDA.
Lakini tunaona wanatumia ma-chiefs, wanatumia masabu chiefs, na wanatumia hata chakula ile inafaa kupeanwa wakati ya corona.
Jubilee Secretary General Raphael Tuju wrote to the Registrar of Parties to nullify their union over breach of rules of engagement.
You notice that in every other political formation right now, the politicians of that formation are the ones at the forefront. We had failed on our side as Jubilee, and we have changed that direction. Moving forward, you're going to see a lot of us speaking, even on the things that we're not happy about in the party. If we think the party makes a mistake, we will speak about it. We are stakeholders in that party. We exist because of that party, and we're not going to allow that party to die. So watch us as we go into Kiambaa. Judge us as we go into Kiambaa. We are 100% sure we are taking that seat. We are delivering Kiambaa.
The two outfits signed a pre-coalition agreement in the build-up to 2017 polls, but things went south when PDR, now rebranded to UDA, and allies of DP Ruto took over the leadership position. For Maisha TV, Bushebi Jr.